People with a bad teeth or missing teeth, they always can have dental implant and have their smile built in the same day. So they can have their bad teeth extracted and implant placed and teeth placed on top of the implant in the same day. That can be a single tooth or multiple teeth or the full arch of teeth. If you are embarrassed about your smile, don't feel like that, because here in our practice, we help all our patients to achieve their optimal smile that they're looking for. All-on-4 or teeth in a day is a procedure of replacing all the teeth in the arch in one day and placing all the implant in the same day. All-on-4 in our practice is a very minimal invasive procedure that we use the guided surgery to place the implant, so there is no cutting bone or gum, and post-op swelling and discomfort is very minimal in this procedure, so the patient can go back to their normal life in the same day or the following day. So having an in-house digital lab in our practice allow us to 3D print the teeth for our patient in the same day of the surgery, so the patient leave here with a new smile in their mouth that's secured by the dental implants, so they do not need to worry about these teeth coming out from their mouth. So these final teeth are also made in our in-house lab, and we use our milling machines here to mill the zirconia bridges, so the patient doesn't need to worry about the quality, as our lab reduces the highest quality in-house. We do offer multiple options for dental implant treatments, and to find the best option for you, please reach out to us, me or my team, and schedule a complimentary consultation so we can help you through this process and find the best option.